Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s over 6. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got du equals to the s over 6. Because we don't have 1 over 6 next to the s, so I will put number 6 go to the left. So this one we change by u, the s we change by this one. So number 6 I will put in here. Next, secant of u to the power of 4 I can put into secant of u square. Secant of u square. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of u square equals to 1 plus tan u square. So I will change this one into this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to tan u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about dt equals to secant of u square du. This one we change by t, and we have t square. This one we change by dt. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt. We have t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of t square, we have t to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About t, that is about tan u. About u, that is about s over 6. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.